Futura Sink Integrated Dishwasher with Ultrasonic Fruits and Vegetable Cleaner. 304 stainless steel is used to create the main body of the sink. The dishwasher has a 4-place setting and the water flow is processed by top-speed heating technology and is equipped with a rotary jet flow system which washes away the stubborn food particles from anywhere. The equipment has food-grade fruit and vegetable baskets, washing with spiral water flow, and using high-frequency ultrasonic technology it can effectively remove 98.9% pesticide residues from the fruits and vegetables. Now eat fruits and vegetables in its most organic form. The high-temperature internal automatic cleaning function ensures that the equipment can be kept clean after each dish washes. Let your loved one liberate their hands and wash the dishes.